The Mustang wasn't originally a Mustang. Many names were considered for the infamous cars, some including the Panther and Torino. One name Ford strongly considered was the Cougar. Eventually, the powers that be at Ford come to an agreement and decided on the name Mustang, and the rest is history. The car may not even be named after a horse. Designer John Nazar claimed that he first pitched the name Mustang after the World War II P-51 fighter plane, but when he presented the idea it got rejected. He later pitched the same name, now telling Ford it was named after a type of horse and the same name was then well reserved. The commonly recognized horse logo on the Mustang took many forms before the release of the car, from resembling a knight on a chessboard to changing the positioning of the horse. Designers went through a long process before eventually perfecting the Ford Mustang logo. The Mustang debut was at the New York World Fair in April 1964. The night before its release, the Mustang was advertised on primetime TV on three major networks, so it wasn't surprised that 22,000 Mustangs were purchased almost immediately after the unveiling at the price of $2,368 each. More than 4 times the forecasted number of Mustangs were sold in the first year. Ford predicted about 1 lakh Mustang sales in the first year but ended up selling more than 4 lakh cars. The Ford Mustang is only one of a few cars to be released in a new model every year for over 15 years. With its main competitor being the Chevrolet and Camry, Ford had to be release a new Mustang model every year to keep up. It helped that both competitors ceased production in 2002, so although they did begin to release new models, the Mustang consistently found itself on top. In its 15 plus years of existence, the Mustang has appeared in the movie and TV shows more than 3,300 times. The first major movie a Mustang appeared in was Goldfinger in 1964. A 1986 Mustang GT also appeared in the 1968 movie Bullitt, and a 1976 Shelby GT appeared in the 2000 movie Gone in 16. Red continues to be the most popular Mustang color. Although the car comes in a multitude of colors, red has always topped the list. Following red is blue, silver, white, black, green, brown and yellow. Ford almost released a Mustang station wagon. In 1966, the idea of making a station wagon was almost made a reality. Two of these cars were actually made, but production never took off. Nowadays, classic Mustangs are in high demand and are sold at a steep price. In 2019, a 1967 Shelby GT50 Super Snack was sold in an auction at price of $2.2 million, making it the most expensive Mustang to oversell. It doesn't look like the popularity of Ford Mustang is going to diminish anytime soon. However, it does seem as though the price will continue to increase with no end in sight. So if you doesn't already own a Ford Mustang, you may consider purchasing one. One last Mustang fact: this classic is never going out of style.